The long-cherished dream of former Lok Sabha Speaker late Purno A. Sangma to make Baljak Airport in Garo Hills functional has received an impetus during the Chief Minister's meeting with central ministers. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who was on Sunday in New Delhi, said that he met the officials of Airport Authority of India who were very positive in their approach to further improve the infrastructure of Baljak Airport before it becomes functional. Sangma also said that the aviation authorities were also willing to further improve the infrastructure of Umroi Airport in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. The Chief Minister also said that he met the Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Shekhawat, who told him that the state should further improve the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission and fund will be a problem for the state. He also said that he met the central minister to give him positive response to augment the William Nagar water supply scheme and cleaning up of Umkhra and Umshirpi rivers in Shillong.
Working on that and seeing how we can take all these issues forward. Apart from that, we also had a meeting today with the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti. So there were some minor irrigation schemes and schemes under Har Khet Kopani. So these projects also, which are the applications and proposals of which are pending with Government of India, we requested Honorable Minister to release the funds and also to approve some of the new proposals that we have put. We discussed about the need for cleaning up our rivers like the Wamukra and the Umshirpi. And there was a very positive response from the Honorable Minister. In fact, he has instructed his officials to ensure that this project goes through. And at the same time, there was also discussion regarding Jal Jeevan Mission, and the Honorable Minister expressed satisfaction in the way Meghalaya is progressing, but he wanted more results, and therefore he has given some very good suggestions, and he has told the state government very specifically that funds will not be an issue in this aspect. So he has urged the state government to ensure that the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission is done in a very, very aggressive manner. The meeting with the Urban Affairs Minister and who is also the Minister in charge for Civil Aviation was regarding the urban housing for the poor. So we have asked for some support from the government in terms of urban housing. We've also asked for financial support from the Government of India for improvement of infrastructure in New Shillong area, where we need more roads and other forms of infrastructure to be developed. So some support from that also has been sought from the Government of India. At the same time, we have also asked for support for water supply scheme for William Nagar. Apart from that, we have also discussed on how to further expand the operations in Umroi Airport, and at the same time also ensure that we are able to activate the Baljak Airport. And so the required infrastructure, the required support from Government of India was sought to activate Baljak Airport, and officials from the Airport Authority of India were also there. We got a positive response in all those aspects, and of course the government has, the minister has asked us to work out the details. The officials are working on that and seeing how we can take all these issues forward.